Since we have the fast fashion industry, textiles is a throwaway product. And I think we lose the skills and we lose the richness and the quality of textiles and the expression that it has. In this masterpiece, this study from all of us, I show what textile can do if you really break boundaries that are normally there. A sofa is a really difficult creature. After the polder, what could be the next sofa? I really tried a lot, and the search was for a long time in the shape. I think I made 5 sofas in between, and each time it was not there yet. That's why we thought it has to come from textile. That will make the difference. I worked with textiles for a long time in my career, and I work with engineers, with people that are very good weavers. So I always start with a lady that is part of my team. She is a designer, but she can translate hand-woven pieces into industrial production systems. She's not trying to do an aesthetic exercise. No, she's trying to get the binding so well done so that we know in the end it will pass the industrial testing. We deliver our design, but in a mill, the real trick happens. They have an excellent expertise in yarns, in spinning, in dyeing. We had different ingredients where we could play with, that are the bindings, the colors and the pattern. It's an optical mix of colors, so it's always this one yarn that's crossing the other, and there you get the color. This is very difficult to predict. So each time when it comes from our mill, it's a surprise and a magic what we receive. Where do we really flip into nerdish textile studies, and where does it come to an end result that could make sense for a sofa? So there you have an open space for this experimentation, not only in techniques but also in style. At Vlinder there is an upholstery team that have great skills and are willing to follow what I would like to see and achieve, and they go ahead and try to make it happen. Working with Vlinder is for me a relationship that is based on respect and trust. We both want to push boundaries. Here we did a high-end engineering in textiles, and we want to be the best.